Yeah, that was wicked. Hey!
Yeah, so the place, where we are today is called Gobistan, also land of the bulls, and yeah, it's been a lot of fun. A lot of rocks as well. I'm really surprised actually to see so many. Good day. Yeah, I find it quite fascinating that so close to the sea that you have this kind of landscape. Yeah, it's really beautiful. So we have been driving a 4x4 Lada. I had to drive. Yeah, was good. We had some competition as well from some locals here with the same car, and yeah, we got some fun, bit of drifting and a bit of filming, of course, with the cars, and I have to say I enjoyed it. No, I was not trying to scare Daniel, but I know from myself that once you're a passenger, it's always a bit more scary because you are not in control. But I think we kept it quite safely, and yeah, no major dramas. They knew it pretty well, but unfortunately, I think we were a bit faster. This is actually the first time that I saw more than the hotel and the track, so I'm always happy to explore things. But I was quite surprised because I never heard of anything like this. So yeah, really cool. Yeah, so street circuit, I think it's always quite cool. But the second sector, where it's quite twisty and tight around the castle, I think that's a lot of fun. And yeah, it should give some interesting racing normally as well. So I'm just looking forward, to start the weekend again and start driving. Last year, I think the car was actually very competitive here, so hopefully we'll be the same this time. Well, I heard Daniel has a lot of sheep at home, so I guess he knows how to handle them. And yeah, it was actually quite funny to see that. But I think Daniel did a good job.
We've been seeing certainly a different side of Azerbaijan. It's been interesting. It's been fun. Been driving a souped up, that sounds so Australian, souped up Lada bro. And yeah, I was playing passenger today. Max was giving me a tour of the gravel roads here in the hilly yet industrial rocky mountains of Azerbaijan. No, I was happy to be with Max. He was competent. The other guys were more loose, therefore less good for a passenger. Yeah, I had no idea like out of the city was like this, so it's cool because yeah, the hotel is so conveniently next to the circuit. It's very easy just to go hotel circuit all week, but to come out and see a bit is cool. Like a crazy little town in there, some scary as hell cemetery. It was pretty rugged out here, but it was cool. Yeah, it feels good. Obviously, good momentum, good memories of last year here. So it doesn't really change my approach to a weekend, but sure, it's nice to have a good feeling about coming into a race with good memories and good momentum. Yeah, I mean, coming back to the circuit is fun. I think this is the best word. It's a gnarly circuit. It really is, because it's a street circuit, so it's already got that element of risk and kind of danger, but it's high speed, and there's like the racing is really cool around here. Big slipstreams, so it definitely is gnarly. But I'm looking forward to coming back. My favorite sections of the track, I don't know if it's my favorite, but it's the most unique. Going through the castle there, that tight part of the track is, we have nothing else like it on the calendar. I mean, Monaco has some tight corners, but that's pretty unique. So that's a challenge, and I enjoy that challenge.